Hi everyone, welcome again. Today let us discuss about Fastags and practically let us see how much time do we save by using a Fastag. Fastag is the digital toll payment method operated by the National Highways Authority of India. It employs radio frequency identification technology for making toll payments. From 15 December 2019, Fastag has become mandatory throughout India. The major advantage of Fastag is ease of payment. You don't have to stop at the toll gate and do a cash transactions, which means you save time and fuel. Let's see today how much time do we save on an average by using Fastag. This happened sometime back. I was returning back from office to home for the weekend, and actually I forgot to recharge my Fastag and I have to go through the cash lane. Let's see how much time it takes for a cash transaction.
ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಲೈನ್ ಎವಳು 95.
As we can see, it took me exactly 18 seconds to complete the transaction. There was no delay in the transaction. I just had the cash in my hand, gave it and got the change back, and I started the car. Now let's see how much time it takes when there is a Fastag. As we saw, it was not even necessary to stop the car. So that's the time we save on an average at the toll gate because of our Fastag. Thanks for watching guys. Please share your thoughts on the comment section. Please press the subscribe button and click on the bell icon.